Sit. Lie down. Roll over. Roll over. Yay! Good boy. He's a good boy. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Once more. Sit. Sit. Lie down. Roll over. Roll over. Whee! Okay, so it says we must mix the flour and millie meal together in a bowl. I'm going to mix these two together. Okay, so we mixed it. And then they say rub in the fat until the mixture is crumbly. Then it said add the cool meat stock a little at a time and mix it into a stiff dough. Okay, so I did little ones like that, but it's taking way too long. I'm just going to take their advice now and shove it in a pan and flatten it out. And then they said we must bake it for 40 to 50 minutes, but I think that's going to be too long. But I'll just open it every now and then and check it. Okay, so I put the oven on, and then it said it must do 180, but I did 150. Let's see. Okay, put into the oven. And then after 20 minutes, I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm gonna check. I don't know, maybe I must do it to 180. I'll just get a bowl. They get in there. That's how they look. Okay. I think it's definitely done now. I'm gonna let one cool down. Let's say try it. You wanna try a biscuit, Babs? No, they definitely feel good. Yep. So definitely 40 minutes, you gotta wait for them to cook. And then they said we must cut it. Good. I think Sage is gonna enjoy it. We'll wait for it to cool down and then I'll get back to you. Come, bring it. Come, bring. Bring your bowl. Bring your bowl. Go get your bowl. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Bring your bowl. Bring it. Bring. Bring it. Give it to mommy. Where's the bowl? Go get it. Catch it. Quickly, catch it. Go get it. Okay, it's the next day. I see I chopped my head off. And this macaca didn't want to eat biscuits yesterday because he ate too much food. So we're going to give him one today. Do you want to try a biscuit? Huh? I'm going to tell him how it tastes. I'm going to eat it here in front of us. You want a biscuit? First try one of these and tell me what you think. Try this. You gotta eat it here. Mmm. Is that yummy? Is that good? Come, eat this. Well, he's eaten it. He loves it. And don't bake them for too long because then it's too tough on their teeth. You just bake it for a little bit and it's not so rough on their teeth. So I didn't want it too hard because I found that biscuits at the doggy shops are like super hard on their teeth. There. Give it to me. Give it. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna get. Okay, guys.